Okay, we're going to be doing word problems today that use the word double, triple, half, etc. for their base. So this is exactly like the other problems we've been doing, except for we don't have a percent increase or decrease that goes right here. We're just looking for the word double, half, triple, third, etc. So you see the parts here. I'm not going to spend time hitting that again because you know. All right, now here's example number 1. A population of mice quadruples every 6 months. If a nest is starting with 2 mice, how many will there be after 2 years? Okay, so your initial amount, you started with 2 mice. Your base, quadruple means 4. And then your time. All right, how many 6-month intervals do you have in 2 years? You have 4. So from January to June is 6 months, and July to December, that's a year, that's another 6 months. So 2 per every year. So there's 4. So then you do this with the formula. You plug into the a, b to the x. So 2 times 4 to the 4th power. Put that in the calculator. The only part that's being taken to the 4th power is this part. So put that in the calculator and you get 512 mice. Okay, in sporting events, teams are eliminated after they lose. The number of teams in a tournament decreases by half each round. If there are 16 teams left after 3 rounds, that's not your starting point. That is 16 teams left. That's the end. After 3 rounds, how many teams started out in the tournament? So your actual answer this time is 16. And you know your base is 1/2 because they decreased by half each round. And then you have had 3 rounds. That's the amount of time that's gone by. So you don't know A, so you put A in for A. But you say 16 equals A times 1/2 to the 3rd power. 1/2 to the 3rd power is 1/8. Okay, so you have 16 equals 1/8 A. To get rid of that 1/8, you want to multiply by 8. That takes care of that. 8 times 1/8 is 1. So what you do to one side, you got to do to the other. So 16 times 8 is 128. So there are 128 teams. You can also walk it backwards and think in your mind, okay, if it's eliminated by half, that means there was twice as many before this round. So you can walk it back 3 rounds and multiply by 2 each time and get 128 as well. Okay, a population of rabbits doubles after 3 months. If they started out with 6 rabbits, how many are there in 3 years? My starting point is 6. My base is 2. And they double every 3 months. So how many 3-month periods are there in 3 years? Well, there's 4 3-month periods in 1 year. So 4 times 3 is 12. And that's where I got that. So 6 times 2 to the 12th. And remember, the only thing you're taking to the 12th power is the 2. So 6 times 2 to the 12th is 24,576 rabbits. Thank you.